ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय प्रथम ब्राह्मणम, पेज नंबर 421। इन भाष्य थर्ड लाइन, दृप्त बालाकी हैज अप्रोच्ड अजातशत्रु राजा। यतः श्रुतिरेव राज्ञो अभिप्रायम आह। श्रुति is giving the abhipraya of the king. Why the king said, I will give you 1,000 cows just because you said ब्रह्मते ब्रवाणी इति। जनको दाता जनकः श्रोता इति च एतस्मिन् वाक्यद्वये पदद्वयम् अभ्यस्यते जनको जनक इति। तो श्रुति says only this much, जनको जनक। भाष्यकार says what is the intention of that? Janako data, Janaka shrota. In this way, people think that Janaka alone is the data, means the giver of money, generous. Janaka is shrota, he wants to listen. We are also there, we will also give money. We also want to do Shravanam. So padadvayam abhyasyate. There is abhyasa of Janaka Janaka. Vai shabdah prasiddha avadyotanartha. Vai shabda is there in the mantra. जनको जनक इति वै जना धावन्ति इति। टीका, प्रसिद्धम जनकस्य दातृत्वादि तद अवद्योतको वै निपात इति यावत्। जनकस्य दातृत्वम इज प्रसिद्धम, दैट ही इज ए जनरस किंग, दैट इज वेल नोन, दैट इज रिवील्ड बाय द निपात वै, तद अवद्योतको वै निपात इति यावत्। वाक्यार्थम आह जनको दित्सु, जनको दित्सुः जनकः शुश्रूषुः इति। दित्सुः धातुमिच्छुः दित्सुः, शुश्रूषुः श्रोतुमिच्छुः शुश्रूषुः। सी शुश्रूषा शब्द, शुश्रूषा comes many times. Shushrusha, one meaning is shrotum ichha, but Shushrusha is also used in the meaning of seva. So we should see which one is more appropriate. That meaning we should take. For a brahmachari, both. Shushrusha means Shravana ichha also and seva ichha also. Iti brahma shushrushavo विवक्षवः प्रतिजिघृक्षवश्च जनाः धावन्ति अभिगच्छन्ति। ब्रह्म शुश्रूषवः, those who want to hear about Brahma. ब्रह्म विवक्षवः, those who want to speak about Brahma, those who have Brahma vivaksha, Brahma vivakshavaha. And pratijighrukshavascha. Pratijighruksha means dhana grahitum ichha. Jighruksha is grahitum ichha, but here it is for dhanam. Those who want dhanam, They go to Raja. प्रतिजिघ्रक्षवश्य. टीका. संभावितवान असि इति प्राग उक्तम वांगमात्रम सहस्रदाने निमित्तम इति शेषः. सो जनाः धावन्ति अभिगच्छन्ति. अच्छा, संभावित नेक्स्ट आफ्टर द नेक्स्ट वन. तस्मात् तत्सर्वं मयि अपि तस्मात् तत्सर्वं मयि अपि संभावितवान् असि. तत्सर्वं मयि अपि संभावितवान्. मयि मीन्स Ajatashatrau. Ajatashatru says, in me also you have made it possible that Brahma Shravanam, Brahma Vivaksha, and Dhana Ichha, this is normally true for Janaka, but you have come to me. So, Mayi api sambhavitavan asi. Tika sambhavitavan asi iti praguktam vang matram सहस्रदाने निमित्तम इति शेषः. प्राग उक्तम वांग मात्रम. What you said, that Brahmate Brahmani, that alone is the nimitta for Sahasradhanam. Tasman Mugdha Prasiddhi Atikramanat iti yavat. Tasmat Tat Sarvam is given. Why Tasmat? Mugdha Prasiddhi Atikramanat. Mugdha Prasiddhi means these Mugdha people, deluded people, they just go to Janaka only. Means not thinking that other people are also could be there. So that is called Mugdha Prasiddhi. But you have done Atikramanam of that. Mugdhanam Prasiddhi, Mugdha Prasiddhi. Tasyaha Atikramanat iti yavat. Tat sarvam datrutvadikam ityarthaha. So this is the datrutvam, shushrushavatvam ityadi that you have made possible in me now. Iti shabdo abhipraya samaptyarthaha. Sambhavitvan asi iti. So king has concluded his sentence. Now Gargya. In Bhashya. Evam rajanam शुश्रूषुम अभिमुखी भूतम सहोवाच गार्ग्यः. एवं राजानम शुश्रूषुम. Raja he is now शुश्रूषुः. राजानम शुश्रूषुम द्वितीय. Abhimukhi bhutam. He is abhimukha. Means now his attention is there. Saha gargyaha uvacha. Now gargya uvacha. Mantra. सहोवाच गार्ग्यो य एवासावादित्ये पुरुष एतमेवाहं ब्रह्मोपास इति सहोवाच अजातशत्रुर् मयि तस्मिन् संवदिष्ठा अतिष्ठाः सर्वेषां भूतानां मूर्धा राजेतिबा अहमेतमुपास इति स य एतमेव उपास्ते अतिष्ठाः सर्वेषां भूतानां मूर्धा राजा भवति. सहोवाच गार्ग्य. That Gargya, he told Ajatashatru Raja, य एव असौ आदित्य पुरुषः. This Purusha which is in Aditya, in Surya. यह एव असौ आदित्ये पुरुषः एतमेव अहम ब्रह्म उपासे इति. ब्रह्म उपास means ब्रह्म उपासे. Garge says, I do Brahma Upasana of this Purusha in Aditya. Means I consider that as Brahma. So, you also should do such Upasana, that this Purusha in Aditya is Brahma. What did he say in the beginning? Brahmate Brahmani. I will teach you Brahma. Which Brahma? The one which is there in Aditya, Surya. That Purusha is Brahma. Iti. Sahovacha Ajata Shatruhu. That Ajata Shatru Raja, he said, Mama etasmin samvadishtha. Immediately he got up. Don't tell me this. Mama etasmin samvadishtha. This dialogue we don't want. This samvada. Samvadishtha means vad dhatu. Samvadishtha. Visarga is there or not? Visarga is there. Lopa is there. Samvadishthaha. The rupa will be vad dhatu madhyama purusha. Ek vachanam. Lung lakar. The rupa will be avadishthaha. Sam upasarga purvak avadishthaha it will be. Avadishthaha. Then what will happen to akara? Lopa. Why? Because ma is there. Ma etasmin samvadishtaha. Mangi lung. Lung lakar when it is there. Akara lopa will happen. Samvadishtaha. Atishtaha. Sarvesham bhutanam. Atishtaha. Atitya sarvan tishtati. Iti atishtaha. Stha dhatu. Quip pratyaya will come first. After quip pratyaya sarvapahari lopa. Lopa will be of everything. Then shatvam, shtunashtu, atishthah. So this Purusha in Surya, Ajata Shatru is telling, I already know about it. I have already done that upasana. How? That atishtaha, he is beyond all. Sarvesham bhutanam murdha raja. It is the head of all murdha. And raja, it is the king. Raja means rajate prakashaman. Itiva. Aham etam upase. I have already done that upasana. Iti. Not only I have done upasana, I know the upasana phalam also. Saya etam evam upaste atishtaha sarvesham bhutanam murdha raja bhavati. The one who does this upasana, etam evam upaste. Then atishtaha. He also goes beyond all. Atitya sarvantishtati. And sarvesham bhutanam murdha bhavati, raja bhavati. This also he will get the phalam. Many times we have to be careful when we go somewhere and we try to tell something which we think we know and other person may not know, like this Drupta Balaki. And Raja said, I already know this. In this case, Raja said, I already know. Sometimes somebody just, they'll nod they'll nod their head, and we think we are telling them something that they don't know. They already know everything. So, We should be careful when we try to tell something to someone, thinking that I know something that you may not know. भाष्य य एव असावादित्ये चक्षुषी च एको अभिमानी चक्षुर्द्वारेण इह हृदि प्रविष्टो य एव असौ आदित्ये. This is the one in the Aditya, Chakshushi cha, and that which is in the Chakshurindriya. Eko Abhimani, one Abhimani there. Chakshur Dwarena iha Hridi Pravishtaha. Through Chakshu, it has entered in the heart. Iha Hridi Pravishtaha. Aham Tika. Hridi Pravishto Bhokta Aham इत्यादि प्रत्यक्षम प्रमाणयति. चक्षुद्वारेण हृदि प्रविष्टः अभिमानी हु इज दैट अहम भोक्ता कर्ता च इति अवस्थितः एंड स्टेइंग देयर एज कर्ता भोक्ता. दृष्टिफलम नैरंतर्याभ्यासम दर्शयति. दृष्टिफलम दृष्टिफलम बहुव्रीहि समास है. दृष्टिर फलम यस्य. दृष्टि ही मीन्स दृष्टि मीन्स उपासना और दृष्टि मीन्स दर्शनम. इफ यू टेक darshanam means this understanding. Drishtihi phalam yasya. How do I get Brahma Drishti? Through Nairantarya Abhyasa. That is why it is given Nairantarya Abhyasam Darshayati. Drishtihi phalam yasya Abhyasasya. Drishti will become my phalam when I do Nairantarya Abhyasa. Then Darshana will be my final attainment. That I see only my उपास्य देवता. दर्शयति स एव एतमेव अहम ब्रह्म पश्यामि अस्मिन् कार्यकरण संघाते उपासे. In this कार्यकरण संघात means in this world I see only that Brahma. एतमेव अहम ब्रह्म पश्यामि. Raja has done enough upasana. तावता राजा not Raja. Gargya. Gargya has done this upasana. Etam eva aham Brahma Pashyami. This is for Gargya. So now Tika says, Raja is asking, Tavata mama kim ayatam? So through that, what will I get? If you are doing upasana and you have this phalam, he said, Tasmat tam aham purusham brahma tubhyam bravimi upasva iti. Therefore, I am telling you about this Purusha. You also should do upasana. Tam aham purusham brahma tubhyam bravimi. Upasva iti. टीका मा मा इति प्रतीकमादाय अभ्यासस्य अर्थम आह. Now in Bhashya see Mama it is given. Sa eva muktah pratyuvacha ajata shatruhu. Eva muktah kaha? Ajata shatruhu. Eva muktah ajata shatruhu pratyuvacha. Eva muktah is bahuri. एवं उक्तो येन सह एवं उक्तः मामा मामेति see four times mama is there ma 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 iti हस्तेन विनिवारेण with hand he said no 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 no, no, no मत मत करो मत मत आओ मत आओ माँ मत बताओ मुझे don't tell me all this so why four times mama first is pratikam from the mantra and then second mama is the explanation इति हस्तेन विनिवारय मामा इति प्रतीकमादाय अभ्यासस्य अर्थमाह मामा इति विनिवारयन् प्रत्युवाच इति संबंधः विनिवारन विनिवारयन् विनिवारण करते हुए प्रत्युवाच राजा इति संबंधः एकस्य मांगो निवारकत्वम् अपरस्य संवादेन संगतिः इति विभागे संभवति कुतो द्विर्वचनम् इति आशंक्यः why four ma are given only two could have done the job he says puravaksha ekasya mango nivarakatvam one ma says don't other ma says aparasya samvadena sangatihi second is the sangati इति विभागे संभवति कुतो द्विर्वचनम संभवति विभागे कुतो द्विर्वचनम why there is twice it is said in bhashya एतस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि विज्ञेये मा संवदिष्ठाः in this brahma which is vigneya brahma means saguna brahma दृश्य ब्रह्म अविद्या विषय अंतपातिनी 4 नंबर टिप्पणी विज्ञेय उपास्ये इति यावत् दिस इज विद इन दी realm of avidya avidya विषय अंतपाती ma samvadishtha in this don't do samvada don't do any teaching मामेत्या बाधनार्थम द्विर्वचनम मामा इति अबाधनार्थम द्विर्वचनम और आबाधनार्थम तेरे सूत्र आबाधे च 6 नंबर टिप्पणी आबाधे च इति सूत्रेण पीडायां द्योत्यायां द्वित्वम तो दिस सूत्र what it does is when there is पीड़ा प्रयुक्त धर्म there is द्वित्वम like गत गतः नष्ट नष्टः in this way there is usage पतित पतितः गत गता नष्ट नष्टा so but this abadha is not in this way that okay now go not that way no no don't say this means say something different that's why abadham is not complete badha ईशत अर्थ सीन टिप्पणी इट इज गिवन गार्ग्यस्य ईशद बाधनार्थम इत्यर्थः एवरीबॉडी फाउंड 6 नंबर टिप्पणी इन बिटवीन इट इज गिवन गार्ग्यस्य ईशद बाधनार्थम okay this is not what we want to hear like that is there a question no somebody has raised a hand एवं समाने विज्ञान विषय आवयोः अस्मान् अविज्ञानवत इव दर्शयता बाधिताः स्याम अतो मा संवदिष्ठा मा संवादम अकार्षी अस्मिन् ब्रह्मणि। एवं समाने विज्ञान विषये आवयोः समान विज्ञान विषय मीन्स in this Brahma which you are pointing out, you also have knowledge, I also have knowledge. Where is the question of discussion? If somebody says, today is Sunday, why you have to tell? We already know. You also know, I also know. That cannot become a Vishaya of Samvada. So, if somebody says, I am Dukhi, if you are not Brahma Jnani, I know, you also know, I also know. What is there to talk? Means get Brahma Jnanam. Nothing else is going to solve any problem. Asman avijnanavata iva darshayata. For both of us, because this is known, avijnanavata iva, like ajnani, badhitaha syam, ato ma samvadishtha. So in this regard, if you think that I don't know this subject matter and I am ajnani and you are jnani, you will be badhita. Therefore, don't talk about this subject. Ato ma samvadishtha. Ma samvadam karshi. Karshi means akarshi. Again, akara lopa. Asmin brahmani. In this saguna brahma vishaya, don't have samvada. Tadeva sputayati evam. That is explained. अन्यच्च अन्यच्चे जानासि तद ब्रह्म वक्तुम अर्हसि न तु यन्मया ज्ञायते एव. Anyacche janasi. If you know something else, that Brahma you can tell me. Tad Brahma vaktum arhasi. Natu yan maya jnayate eva. That Brahma which I already know, that you don't talk to me. That there's no point in talking. टीका त्वदुक्तेन प्रकारेण यो विज्ञान विषयो अर्थस तस्मिन् आवयोर विज्ञान सामान्यात् विज्ञान साम्यादेव समाने अपि विज्ञानवत्वे सति अस्मान् अविज्ञानवत इव स्वीकृत्य तमेव अर्थम अस्मान् प्रति उपदेशेन ज्ञापयता भवता वयं बाधिताः स्याम इति योजना. त्वदुक्तेन प्रकारेण यो विज्ञान विषयो अर्थः. विज्ञान विषय मीन्स अर्थ. उक्तेन प्रकारेण by which you have said this विज्ञान विषयो अर्थ तस्मिन् आवयोः विज्ञान साम्यात्. We have samanam vijnanam means we both know this equally well. Samyad eva samane api vijnanavatve sati asman avijnanavata iva svikritya. considering that I am Ajnani and you know about this, having accepted that, avijnanavata iva svikritya, tameva artham asman prati upadeshena, then that teaching you are giving to me, asman prati upadeshena, jnapayata bhavata. Jnapayata, pakara, what is the sutra? Hmm. Online, anybody?
Arte feel we no yikshma yadam pumno.
Hmm. Jnapayata bhavata, vayam badhitaha syam. Then we will become badhita. Vayam badhitaha syam means that if you think this way, then you feel we don't know. But the fact is, I already know. So there is no point in continuing dialogue, the waste of time. Tathapi, Gargyasya katham ishad badhanam. But ishad badhanam is done. How ishad badhanam is done? Tatra aha. Ato ma samvadishtha. That we already saw. Ato ma samvadishtha. Ma samvadam karshi. Further in टीका अतिष्ठाः सर्वेषाम् इत्यादि वाक्यम शंका द्वारा अवतार्य व्याकरोति. अतिष्ठाः सर्वेषाम, दिस वाक्यम इत्यादि वाक्यम शंका द्वारा अवतार्य. थ्रू शंका दिस वाक्य अवतरणम इज डन. सर्वेषाम इत्यादि वाक्यम शंका द्वारा अवतार्य व्याकरोति. अथ चेन मन्यसे जानीषे त्वं ब्रह्म मात्रम न तु तद विशेषण उपासन फलानि इति. अथ चेन मन्यसे, मन्यसे जानीषे, इफ यू नो ब्रह्म मात्रम, if you know brahma, not the one which is having visheshana or upasana phalani, tad visheshana upasana phalani. So what you know is this upasana phala also, means if you do this upasana then this you will get, etc., etc. And you think that I know only Brahma, I don't know the Upasana Phalam, even that is not true. I know Brahma also, I know its Upasana Phalam also. Tanna mantavyam. Yataha sarvam etad aham jane yad bravishi. Then you should not think that I know only Brahma, but I don't know Brahma Visheshana Guna Upasana Phalam. That also I know. So you should not think that, but some part you don't know. That is why I am telling you. Tanna mantavyam. Yataha sarvam etad aham jane yad bravishi. Whatever you are saying, I know everything. Etam purusham iti shesha. In Tika, about this purusha, whatever you say, I know everything. Katham, how he says, how. Atishtha, atitya bhutani tishtati iti atishtaha. Bhutani atitya tishtati iti atishtaha. सर्वेषांच भूतानां मूर्धा शिरो राजा इति वै राजा दीप्ति गुणोपेतत्वात् एतैर्विशेषणैर् विशिष्टम् एतद् ब्रह्म अस्मिन् कार्यकरण संघाते कर्तृभोक्तृ च इति अहम् एतम् उपास इति फलम् अपि एवं विशिष्टोपासकस्य. सर्वेषां भूतानां मूर्धा Shiro Raja. Murdha means Shiraha. He will become the Shiraha of all beings. Raja. Raja Deepti Gunope Tatvat. He will shine among people. Couple of days back, there was some discussion with another Mahatma about Brahmavarchas. Brahmavarchasam, this comes in many Upanishad also. How do we know what is Brahmavarchasam? It is given in Shastra. Brahmavarchasam, it is not easy to point out that so and so has Brahmavarchas, I think. Where you have lot of Shraddha, Adar Buddhi, you will see Brahmavarchas. Not that if there is nothing, you will not see. But if that person has done some upasana, has some jnana, you will see Brahmavarchas. But it is also possible that somebody has nothing, but if there are some people around them, and if Chhatra, Chamara, etc. are there with that person, then person may think, oh, there is Brahmavarchas. It is possible. It need not be Brahmavarchas. It could be the phalam of the upasana of the Purva Janma, which is expressing, or this Janma also. And because of upasana, all these people are around and somebody doing something. They may not have Brahmavarchas. So, any glorious thing that is there is phalam of some karma or upasana, is definitely. And that brings this. But if that person has nothing, means no dhanam, no other thing, and still you see that there is some glory, then you say this must be the phalam of his upasana. This is Brahmavarchas. But you can think about it. We were just discussing, so everybody has their ideas. Deepti guna upetatvat. Raja has this Deepti guna. Etair visheshanaihi vishishtam. Etad Brahma. This Brahma, which is this Vishishta guna, अस्मिन् कार्यकरण संघाते कर्तृ भोक्तृ च इति अहम एतम उपास इति. I do upasana of this. कर्तृ भोक्तृ च इति फलम अपि एवं विशिष्ट उपासकस्य. This upasaka will get this vishishta phalam also. टीका. इति शब्दो गुणोपास्ति समाप्ति अर्थः. Iti is there in the bhashya, that iti shabda gunopasti samapti artha. टीका. पूर्वोक्त रीत्या त्रिभिर गुणैर विशिष्टम ब्रह्म तद उपासकस्य फलम अपि जानामि इति उक्त्वा फलवाक्यम उपादत्ते. In this, according to how he said earlier, त्रिभिर गुणैर विशिष्टम ब्रह्म. What are the three gunas? Murdha, Raja, and Atishtha. Atishtha. So Trivir Gunaihi Vishishtam Brahma and Upasakasya Phalam Api Janami. Now, further he says, Saya etameva upaste atishtaha सर्वेषां भूतानां मूर्धा राजा भवति. Then he becomes Atishtha Bhutanam Murdha Raja Bhavati. Kimiti yathoktam phalam uchyate tatraha. What is that yathoktam phalam? Yatha gunopasanam evahi phalam. Whatever is the guna, according will be the phalam. Why? Tam yatha yatha upasate tadeva bhavati iti shrutehe. Whatever upasana you do, that phalam you will get. So if I do atishtha, then sarvan atitya tishtati. Murdha, then I will be Murdha. Raja, that is the phalam. This is the Siddhanta. Yatam yatha yatha upasate tadeva bhavati. Upasate and upaste. What is the difference? No. There are two rupas, like you can see. In the second line, upaste. In third line, upasate. Upaste, upasate, upasate. One is ekvachanam, another is bahuvachanam. But check which is, I think this is how it is. Upaste, upasate, upasate. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakratam Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.